Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to make a quick and easy card. I'm going to be using the Bonanza Buddies out of the new mini catalog. I just fell in love with this little koala. Oh, and this little toucan is so cute, so we could use either one, but I think today we're going to use the koala, just make it quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get those out, and then I'll tell you, I'm going to use a real red cardstock for my base, and then I'm going to use a Whisper White Thick for my top layer, and that's the layer we're going to decorate. I'm going to get out the little koala face because it makes it so nice and easy. Oh, that's not his face. What was that? Oh, that's a little lion face. We want the koala face. So make sure you choose the right face, because look how cute that little lion face is, but that's the koala face that matches really well with that. So all we need is two stamp pads. I've got my smoky slate and my tuxedo black, since koalas are black and gray. And let's go ahead. I also have my Stampin' Write marker, because this is going to be so quick. Alrighty. I'm going to get out my paper trimmer here. Also going to grab one more block, because I want to be putting a saying on here. I'm going to take my real red and I'm going to cut it right in half. And this is going to be a 5.5. So it is an 8.5 by 11. So if we cut it right in half, we just go to 5.5. And we use that dark brown for the cut. And then we're going to score with the light brown. And this one's going to be scored in half. So we're going to go to 4.25. I love that they have this all lines all the way down. The new trimmer is just so great. And then you take this grayish one here, and that is going to score it for you. So now we have our card base cut and scored. And then we're going to take this guy here, and we're going to go down. Let's go at 5. Actually, we're going to do this one. We're going to do 4. And then I'm going to save that. And we're going to do 5.25. So we took a 1/4 inch off of each side. And there we go. So this is the side we're going to decorate. So we'll just get this part out of the way. And we're going to fold this. Take our bone folder, burnish it down, and it is ready to go. I also have some Stampin' Dimensionals that we'll use, and then I have some clear faceted gems. Find out in the end of the video what I use those for, so make sure you stick around. And I want to use this Let's Celebrate You. So I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to just stick this on here. I'm going to stick it up toward the top where I could see. Okay, great. Alrighty, let's get started. First things first, we're going to get out our smoky slate. This is quick and easy. Get him all stamped up there. We're going to just stick him right in the corner. Let that ink just pass over from the stamp. Look at how cute! And then let's get out our basic black. And we're going to get his little koala face. It's so cute and so easy. And we're just going to stick that right in there. And look how cute that little koala came out. So easy. Now I'm going to take that Let's Celebrate You. Ink him up. And then we're going to put him over here along the top. Look at that. Alrighty. So we're going to tie all of this together very quickly, very easily with the help of our basic black Stampin' Right marker. And yep, make sure it works good. You can check either side. You can have it thick or thin, whatever you'd like. I'm going to go with the thin. And we're going to just, starting from this edge, you could do one of two things. You could do lines like this and then a dot like that all the way around. You could do some squiggle lines. You could do some those little guys. Whatever you want to do. But we're going to go ahead, for me, I'm going to do these lines with a dot. And then we're going to turn it. We're going to put a dot. And you can change the color if you want it to be like red. Whatever you'd like. And when you come to the koala, like in his ear, just go right over it. And they could be small lines. I'm just eyeballing it. If you want, you can make it a, what am I thinking here? You could use a ruler if you wanted to. So many ways, but so quick, so easy. And I love that this dries quickly, so when my hand does move across it, I'm not getting ink all over the place. And there we go. It tied that all together. See how we did that? And that's all we have. That is your card. Quick and easy. I'm going to throw some dimensionals on here. You know I can't do anything without my take your pick tool, because it's just such an awesome tool and a time saver. We're just going to put that down right there. And look at that. There's your little card. If you wanted to give him some balloons or anything like that, you could totally do that. It's all up to you. But I think just like this is perfect. So, all right, let's go ahead and figure out what we're going to do. If you like this card, please give me a thumbs up and please share my videos. That's something I usually never asked before, but I would like your help in getting me to 100,000 as soon as possible. So if you'd like to order from me any of the supplies here, just go to beautyandthestamper.com, click on the Shop Now button. You want to enter the host code if you spend less than $150. Okay, here we go. Now what are we going to do with these faceted gems? I want to give them to one of you who just watched all the way through. So what I'd like you to do, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you put in the comment below that you like the gems. That's all you need to do. Tell me you like the gems, and I will pick a winner, and I'll get that out to you. I'll notify you on YouTube. I'll just reply to your comment, and good luck. And this is for U.S. residents. Unfortunately, it costs too much to ship outside of the U.S. But, all right, beauties, thank you so much. I'm so glad to be back in the studio crafting again. So, tell me what you think of this card. And don't forget to comment about the gems. Share my video and make sure you give it a like. I'm going to be doing more of these. So, make sure you watch for future videos. And then also subscribe if you haven't yet. Okie dokie. Take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I decided to see what it would be like to add a nice big huge balloon. I just used that black marker and colored it in with the real red Stampin' Blends. Let me know what you think. Tell me if you like the balloon with the balloon or without the balloon.